Okay, so here's an explanation of how we're going to move forward with reading the book To Kill a Mockingbird. In the genre theme analysis page in the classwork of Google Classroom, you'll have daily assignments. Also, you're going to find resources on this page. So if you need things like the rubric or explanations of what to do each day, here they are. Highlight all main ideas, select one per page. Unless you have an accommodation, then it's every other page. And it has to be important to, how do you know if it's a main idea? It's important. The character, the plot, symbolism, or theme, the deeper meaning of the text, and getting to know the characters. So once you have highlighted all the main ideas, you're going to pick one per page, a main idea. You're going to name the literary device, or syntactical device. You can use abbreviations. You're going to state the connotation, if it's positive or negative, the feelings the words give you, and you're going to make a 1 or 2 word inference. Then you're going to explain the text structures. It's sequencing, cause and effect, problem, solution, description, or compare and contrast. Then you're going to write a 1-sentence summary of a main idea written in the text sentence format, and you're going to complete the chapter questions. So each day a new chapter will be assigned to you, and you need to do these things for each chapter. If you scroll down, you'll see the syllabus. It tells you each day, and I've spread this out. Okay, so I've made the annotations half of what the kids did last year since it's distant learning, and I've spread out the readings a little bit more than we did last year. So you should be able, it's less work than last year, to accommodate the new schedule for distant learning. Also in resources, you'll see this To Kill a Mockingbird resources packet, as well as annotation examples. In the packet itself, you have the motif and themes. You'll have all the literary devices, syntactical devices explained, and definitions, as well as connotation and denotation in case you forgot. It has the different text structures, and it also has transition words and then vocabulary words. So each day you'll have the day, like on Monday, well, I posted this early in case people wanted to get started early, but in the morning I will post what the assignment is for each day. So watch the attached videos. Make sure you're always watching the videos, please, before you get started, because a lot of people are asking me questions, emailing me without watching the video, and I think the videos will explain most of your questions. You have to post one question for attendance and begin working on the worksheet, which is due by the end of the week. Each day I'm going to be checking that the worksheets to make sure that you're working on it. So for example, you have to come up with a main idea, which is very important to the text. 1 sentence, main idea, using these frames for each chapter. So chapter 1, I have one. You put the page number, you put the text structure type. This is description. So I go back up and I say description. I have to use this. A blank is a kind of blank that. So I have to be very descriptive as I am writing. I'm writing in the description text structure. So Jem is a kind of boy who's at nearly 13 got his arm broken one summer. It was shorter than his right, but he could still play football. It is 1 sentence. I'm telling which text structure I'm using, and I'm telling you what page number. If it's sequencing, you just say it's the entire chapter. So you're going to do that 1 sentence. I'm going to be checking it that you are doing this every day. And then you're going to have questions. You do not have to write incomplete sentences. And I have cut in half the amount of questions that you have to do since we're distant learning. So please just make sure you're doing this every day. At some point, there'll be these charts that you fill out about the characters and about the literary devices and how they lead, and syntactical devices, to a theme.